like being a Bengali, actually I grew up reading Satyajit Ray's Feluda. So he's like, one of our favorite heroes, and he's very popular in Bengal and in Bengali literature. And I'm really appreciate Fogg's effort to bring the new movies to us. So thoroughly enjoying, and I sure the second one will be as good as the first one. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My name is Rita Rashid. Actually, big fan of Satyajit Ray stories and movies for a long, long time. I think I read every single film that book since I was a teenager or a young kid. So it's always the detective stories are really great, and there's an amazing, interesting way of solving the mysteries. So it's a great film. Looking forward to the second half of the great movie, great cast. Always a treat for movie lovers. Sure. I think first of all, this is a very good initiative, and very much excited to really Bengali forward to have some more this kind of initiatives where we can see Bengali movies here in the industry. I'm proud to be, Bengali because we are enjoying the rocks.
Yeah, thanks a lot to Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev ji is like a great friend, a very, very close friend and an amazing guy. And thanks and all the very best to UTV24. We wish them all the very best. So as you can see, today is a big day for us. One of the biggest Bengali movie of this year, Double Feluda global premiere is happening now. You can see from more than 250 people have already came here, and it's an amazing buzz. So we as a volunteer for Festival of Globe Fog, we would like to bring every culture, try to do the best for them. As our chairman Dr. Japra ji says, Ramesh Japra ji, it's all about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So we want to do that. We try to bring everyone in, and it's a potpourri of all the cultures and best of everything. So we wish very best to UTV24 Festival of Globe, and we wish everyone to have a great time today watching Double Feluda. Thank you. It's a movie of Oscar winner director Satyajit Ray. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, congratulations to Sanjeev ji, Ubi ji for coming and covering this amazing event. As you can see, we are bringing the best of Bengali movie. You don't able to see them in Silicon Valley being it here, so everyone we want to see. So this movie is like this year's biggest blockbuster, and as you know, it's Satyajit Ray. You don't have many Indian who has won the Oscar. Satyajit Ray is one of them. His creation, and Feluda is like, you ask any Bengali all over the globe, they have grown up watching this character. So it's a dream comes true. It's a 50 years of Feluda, and we from Festival of Globe and Fog, we would like to, really respect this event, this moment. So we brought this movie, global premiere. We could see everyone worked hard and all. And today is a day when we have a full house, everyone supporting. Thanks once again for your U24 TV and UBG for all of your Sangram TV and all. We hope this support will keep continue, and we'll try to bring best of the movie for the Silicon Valley.
What about you? Well, same goes for us also. We are feeling very much proud, and it's as he told that it is 50 years of Feluda. So feeling proud that we are able to host this kind of movie. So we are part of this kind of movie. So it's really a pleasure.
So it's a privilege to show everyone the Feluda here, which is 50 years, and it's a privilege for us all to see in a big screen, because especially Bengali movies, it was very rare that we could see in a big screen. We always see in a small screen, laptop or TV. So I'm very happy to be a part of it, and looking forward to bring more Bengali movies in the Bay Area, so that we can that can reach out to many people. Thank you.
Hi, so it's an awesome opportunity for the Bengali community in Bay Area. So Feluda is like an icon. I have grown up seeing movies and reading stories about Feluda and Satyajit Ray. So it's an awesome opportunity, and we are proud that we are able to bring Feluda and show them to Bay Area Bengali folks. And we really want support from Bengali community and all the communities who can, so that we can bring more movies and show the best of the movies coming from Bengal. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a great opportunity time when Bengali movie is screened at the same time when it is released in India was not thought of a few years back. But ability to see at the time when it is released is something happened to Hindi cinema 20 years back, and now we are here with the Bengali cinema doing that level of show. And the enthusiasm we are getting is really hats off. Everybody is interested. In this rainy weather, the hall is filled up. That says something about the spirit, about the enthu, about the want of the Bengali movies in this area. So we look forward to that and really happy to be part of this extravaganza.